everyone. In today's class, we are going to see how to create this infographics in Adobe Illustrator. Last class, we saw how to illustrate using Shape Builder tool and Direct Selection tool. In today's class, we are going to see an important tool, that is Rotate tool. So let's start.
Now we are going to use a new tool called Rotate tool. You can think it's just a normal rotate tool. Yes, but it will surprise us and will be helpful in many places. Check it out. Select the Rotate tool and now select the reference point of the shape, means the center point of the shape. Bring it to the center of the image. Can you see there? Press Alt, click and drag the shape. You will see a copy now. Without pressing anything, use Ctrl plus D on the keyboard. You can see duplicates with perfect spacing. Can you? Yes. Next, follow the same for the small circle shape. After this, we have to arrange these shapes in a separate layer and lock the layer. Okay, let's separate the shapes and the image. Go to the image layer and select the shapes and create a new layer. Drag and drop the shapes in the layer. After that, lock the image layer. That's it. Now, arrange the shapes as it is in the image. I hope the video was helpful.